Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. It's Friday, March 4th, 2022. And yeah, let's get up into this shit. So, um, yesterday, towards the end of close, I was able to go ahead and catch a trade after. We seen what happened right here, right? There's a bull flag that was created right here. Price broke above it. And what I was thinking was break a structure to the upside, possible come back down to the golden zone ILC. Went in there. We took a couple buys, but we're broken out or stopped out at break even multiple times, right? I think 3 times that we got in. And, price just reversed on us. And, after doing it, basically what we seen was consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation, right? And I'm like, man, if I would have left this trade in here, I would have been eating, like eating. And shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I was able to catch a nice trade about 154 pips to the downside, and yeah, price is now moving in that direction, right? So we had a break of structure for sure, all the way down to this key support level from the 25th of February. So now you can see exactly what's happening right here. It looks a little bit cleaner here. You can see it's just rejecting the 30-minute EMA, right? But it's building somewhat of a little support level right here from what I'm seeing. I haven't necessarily looked at the charts all the way yet, but you can see that this support level is being built. I guess you could say it's somewhat of a resistance to support, right? So we have that support level being built here, and it was also here, which I'm sure we'll see a little bit clearer once we open it up right now. But I think it's definitely a downtrend, right? Even though the support level is being built, definitely a downtrend. Let's see if they give us something to go off of right here. So, support levels being respected for sure. I think maybe we might see a pushback right here. Or we could see a push up to the upside and reject right here. So, I think it's coming down for sure. The only thing that I'm looking at is a possible, where is it coming down from? Let's see. %62 up here, right? I think it could just come down right now from this area, truthfully. Kind of see it right here. I'm going to keep this up just so I have an idea of basically what price is doing, right? Where we at, if it does retrace past. But at open, I think I'm going to be looking for a sell, essentially in this area right here, or back in this zone again. So we'll see how price reacts in this area right here, possibly take the sell to the downside, or if we get a retracement back up to the zone, definitely taking the sell at this area. Let's take a look. Alright. Definitely more red than green, right? The Dow. It's about half and half. And I guess that's essentially from it, sitting in this zone for so long. But you can see prices using this area as a strong support level as well. So let's see what it gives us. At this point, it's kind of in that zone where I wanted to sell off from. So I'm not sure if I want to take it right now pre-open. We still got about 9 minutes left till open. So yeah, let's check out US30 right. Damn, everything's red. Let's check out US30 right now. Essentially the same thing, rejecting the 30-minute EMA. Here's a level that is shown respect to, right? You know what, let me go get my son really quick. This dude's waking up. Give me a second. Man, this shit's funny. Walked in there, and you know, I'm starting to realize my son's a sleep talker. This dude talks a lot in his sleep. He's 7 months old. But right here, it's so hard for me to say what I see and don't see on this US30 chart. Definitely see some clear rejections right here, right? Boom. I think this one off of the 60% right here. Yeah. Came up to 62%. Quick, easy, dropped. So, yeah. I feel like both of them hit already, huh? Like if we go from here to here. .70% area, right? Still looks like it's pushing too. Shit, who knows? It might push up from here. Let's see what Forex Factory got for us. Oh, we had NFP today. Shit. We had NFP and unemployment today, which both came out a lot better than expected. Huge jump. They were expecting 407,000 to jobs, you know, being taken. It was actually 678,000. That's crazy. Unemployment rate, they're expecting 3.9%. It's actually at 3.8. So it was all good shit, right? Just dropped at 530. Looks like price didn't. I mean, it moved, but it didn't move crazy, right? Because 530's what right here. Just shot up, came back down. So what? Pushed up at 530 from 920 to about 80 pips, and then reversed all the way down from 1407 down to about 120 pips, 130 pips. Sitting in this level, right? Let's see what the market gives us. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's coming up, right? Let's see if we could get a nice rejection to the downside though. Once it hits up in this level again, I'll definitely enter. The thing is, you know, where's your stop loss going to be, right? For me personally, I think it's going to be, say we enter right here. I'm going to keep mine short and sweet right above that wick. Because if we go up here, yeah, I don't do well with 90 pip stop losses, so I'd rather take the L right here, right? Because I think if price breaks above these lows right here, then we should see something like that maybe, right? We could see something like that. It's kind of the zone that we're looking at right here. And you can see it's rejecting that area already, right? And that's where I said I wanted to take my sell, which I don't like. Sitting on top right here. So this is a key area right here, right? The 1 minute 50 EMA. Color dark red, and then we'll do the 5 minute because this is the one that's important to me. It's this 5 minute. I mean, it's not the best EMA that I've ever done, but try to be as accurate as possible with this just so we ain't fucking it up. Every pip matters, I believe. Maybe that kid isn't sleep talking, maybe he is awake. Damn. Rejected it already. Yeah, this is where I wanted to take it, really. Right here. So, I mean, this is key right here, right? Broke above the 1 minute EMA. Let's see if he uses it as resistance. I mean, a support. Possibly push up to the upside to our zone right here, right? So, I think it is a big area, or does it come up here and reject it again, right? We got about 2.5 minutes left. The market makers definitely know what they're doing, right? Like you could see it, right? With 2.5 minutes to go, they're playing in between the 5 minute and 1 minute 50 EMAs, and I think it's smart. All right, that vato's awake now. Give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my son. All right, it's doing just enough. You see that shit? So we got about a minute and a half till open. Let me get my phone ready actually. Get my screens up. You need to get your cream up. Cause me and my team up. Looks like it might push up, right? But we'll see. Sitting on top of there now. Let your nuts hang. It's about that time. If we do take this trade, we could take this down to the support level again. Alright, looks like it's going to go up to our level, right? It looks like it should push up to the zone up here. And we got about 40 seconds till open. Let's see what it gives us. Could reject it still, right? It could still reject it. What? 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 Oh shit. Let's see what it gives us. Got about 10 seconds till open. Sitting on top of that 5 minute 50. I think it should push up to the upside here. Oh shit. Exploded up to the upside. Alright. Like that. A little bit of respect, right? Okay, I put a little sell in. Shit, maybe I should put a bigger sell in. Hold on a second. I'll tell you where I'm at right now. It's just, I want to finish this candle, see what the next one does. Yeah, it looks like it still might push up. Now I'm going to enter a bigger position right about now. Alright, so I entered a bigger position now. Let's see, because I really don't like how it's pushing up like that. So let's see if it can honor this area, right? Alright, so let me just tell you where I'm in at. I'm in at 76.15 and 65.95. So let's see. I mean, I like the way that looks, right? It's rejecting the area pretty nicely. Um, Now it's just a matter of can it hold it down, 'cause it still looks like it wants to go up, right? Sheesh. See if it rejects it again. I want to see it do some exhaustion right here, like stay like that, right? Where you see each wick is getting shorter than the last one, but that's a lot of strength. Not too sure. With the news, we might be going against the fundamentals of it all. You know what I mean? The fundamentals are saying everything's good right now for the US dollar, which, we could see what happened right here. Right at 5:30, all this bullshit happened, boom, 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 and then it came down, but it respected this area. So we'll see, you know what I mean? Might be going against it. Hopefully it moves in our favor, though. That's the plan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I like that. Let's see if it can, come down, though. That's the biggest thing is, can you come down? All right. It's showing somewhat of, what we want it to do, but okay, now we're stepping out of the zone. I like that. All right. Alright, I like that. We're in profit. Up about 15 pips from my 14 pips from my bottom position. So I'm in at 76 and 66 basically. This is a 1 minute. I mean, it looks good, but damn, look at that rejection right there. That's not good. For it to finish like that, that is not good. I was just about to say we might move some shit to break even, but let's see. See if it can come down though. I really don't like that rejection. Just being truthfully honest, Looks like it's playing up there. Yeah, we need it to come down from here, but sheesh. See what it does here. Okay. That's moving a little bit in our favor now, but let's see if it can keep it. I like that it's happening towards the second half of the 1 minute candle. And it's going to finish the 5 minute candle, which, will finish with a pretty clean rejection at that area. So let's see if it can continue it though. I don't like how it keeps rejecting at the bottom of those wicks though. Damn. Staying up there, which I don't like. Yeah, see that shit. No way. Well, my top position just got stopped out, I think. Wow. Damn. That's crazy, dude. Well, I mean, that's why you move your stops to break even, right? So, I mean, at this point, it looked like the trade was going in our way, but I think that, price is just moving in the direction of what the EMAs or not the EMAs, the fundamentals, the news, right? I think the news is really what's hitting. So, damn. Yeah, is what it is. I mean, maybe it gives us another entry, but with that bullish engulfing candle right there, I kind of think it pushes up. Maybe it'll give us another opportunity to jump into the trade. Let's see what it does here. Either breaks through all this shit to the upside, or it's gonna just come down right now. So let's see. Turn it down, Zoe. Let's see. I just entered again. Nah. Might be chasing Ghost on this point. At this point, you know what I mean? I'm in at 88. I think this bitch might be going up. Yeah, it looks like it. And when I say it looks like it, this is just, so I got stopped out right here. I lost like $20. Um, Let me just show you. Hold on. Oh, what? Who did it? Who did it, papas? Who did it, papas? Yeah, that doesn't look good. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and close my position most likely, but you know what? This one I'm gonna let it hit my stop loss. If it hits my stop loss, then we're done for the day. That's what I'm on today. You know, I don't want to overtrade today. It's either I make money or lose money, so I'm gonna let it hit my stop loss today. And if it does, you know, it does. So we got in at 88.35. Oh, we're a little in profit right now by about 5, 7, 8 pips. Oh, 6 pips. I'm trying to figure out how to put it in right here. Hold on a second. So you want to go over there with your sister? Oh, not that many pips. Oh shit. Let's see. Let's see if it can do our dance. You know what I mean? Just entered another one, so let's see. Okay, we're in business. Let's go, man. Just trust the fucking trade, baby. Let's go. So we're up about, you know, for my top position, we're up about 35 pips right now. Bottom position, we're up about 25 pips right now. So, you know, let's see if it can continue. We're in here, and got to break that 20 EMA that it's been respecting so much, right? So let's see if it can. Yeah, I think we could get at least to this level right here. My first take profit will be at this zone. If it comes back up and stops out, then I'm gonna just be pissed at that point. You know what I mean? So the 5 minute looks good. You know, to continue this route. You know, let's see what it does. Okay, we're in there. Let's go, man. Shit. Let's see, my first TP coming up. Well, that's respecting the shit out of that, right? I don't like that. But let's see, man. Let's see what it can do. Let's see if it could keep this, you know, this push down. That's the biggest part, right? Is keeping the push down. All right, I just closed the 0.01, so I have a 0.05 running right now. I'm up about 135. Let's see if it's kind of broken through that area, right? So now let's see what we can do right here. All right, it looks good to continue down, right? So let's see what it does, man. You want to go over there with your sister? Kind of rejecting that zone, right? I'm gonna lock in another $60, 0.01, so now I have a 0.04 in there. And I'm up to 193 that I've closed my positions for the day. So profiting 193, and then I have another 250 floating right now. So, you know, we got some decent positions right now. Let's see if it can continue down to our downside though. Let's go. See if I can lock in another 70 pips. Damn, look at that rejection right off of that support level, right? Right off of the support level. Okay. Alright. I closed another position. Damn, I thought I closed 70 at 70 pips, but 64. So I've locked in $250 for the day. I got 230 floating, 240 floating right now, so 0.03. And yeah, we just, now, you know, I wanted to hit my target, man. I feel like we've locked in enough. I got my stop loss moved into profit, about 12 pips, so I'll make about, you know, $30+ if I get stopped out, which will be okay, right? So let's see if price could go ahead and move in my direction. I'm hoping for price to get down to, this support level here. So it has to break through this, right? Which it hasn't yet. So I mean, it does have some work to do. I don't like the rejection, so it needs to stay under these 50 EMAs right here. If it doesn't, then I think it is coming back up, right? Especially because it didn't break this low. This low wasn't broken. So that's something I'm worried about, right? It's got to reject this. If it doesn't, it's going to push up to the upside. But it has to reject this area right here. Absolutely has to. And make its way back down. So let's see. I mean, we're in there. So we've already secured profits, which is a good thing. Now let's see.
I've seen the commercial. Hey, you know I watched it.
Yeah.
I want to watch it again.
You want to watch it again? It didn't even rain yesterday. Oh, okay. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. Now let's see if it can break through this area right here. Can't use this as support because this is a strong support level, right? Look at all these rejections here. Multiple rejections here, right? And you can see it's still rejecting it. So I want to see it finish to the downside right here, right? So let's see if we can do that. My bottom position is completely closed out. Bless you, baby. Bottom position is completely closed out. Top position is still open. We're up about, let me make sure this is accurate. Yeah, about 93 pips right now. So let's see. Has to break through this motherfucker. That's the biggest thing. It's breaking through. Alright, I'm about to close another 100 pips. 0.01. It's at that level, right? Where I don't want it to reject. Oh, it's already reject. Let me see if I can get to 100 pips. Alright, just hit 100 pips. Close that position. Now I have a 0.02 running. Another $100 up to 362 for the day. And we're moving. Let's go, man. Let's see if we could get to this 27% area. We've definitely broken structure right here, right? But price can still reverse up, come back up to this level. So let's see. So I'm actually happy with my profits for the day. I'm really happy with my profits for the day. We're up about 120 pips, right? 150 pips, we're moving. And, you know, let's see what the market gives us at this point. close another 123 pips or something like that. And we're moving down to the downside. I'm up 485 for the day, so I'm a happy camper now. And I think we're on our way to, you know, where we're headed. So, beautiful, beautiful trade. I mean, shit, you can't ask for much more. You really can't ask for much more on this trade, right? And we're up about 130 pips. And close profits, $500 for the day, or close to it right now, right? And yeah, I'm a happy camper, man. We got a .01 runner right now. Hopefully it goes to our take profit, and we enjoy our Friday. Really excited about this trade, man. Trusting ourselves, trusting the level, right? And just jumping in it and taking it. So let's go, man. Hey, Johnny, did you hop into this trade? You seen this? See. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. I'll call live. We're up about 130 pips right now. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. I'll call live. About 130 pips right now. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. I'll call live. About 130 pips right now. And you see, price could actually come up right here. You see how small this candle got? Right here. So these right here, you don't generally think price is going to push up from here. Once it does, or once it gets to these smaller candles, now they can actually break above, right? It's so much easier to engulf. So yeah, last 11 seconds, we want to see it kind of push down right here, right? Push down to our target. And so we're in there. You know what I mean? We're up about 145 pips right now. Let's go. And you see that? It can easily engulf it right now, just like that. Just like that, you have your whole shit engulfed, right? So, yeah, I don't necessarily like that, because look at that. And let's see what it's bouncing off of. An IOC right here. Let's see if it's a stronger ILC. Yep, right. 1838. Let's see if it respected that level. You know, it broke below it, but let's see. Looks like this can be a bigger ILC. Yeah, it's the wick. But let's see, man. I mean, we're in there. You know, at the end of the day, fuck it. If we're already profiting for the day. And, you know, one thing that I'm trying to get better at as a trader is holding my trades to completion. You know what I mean? It's hard for me to do. Like, this trade, I was so stoked to catch 155 pips. But, you know, if I would have just left it in, I could have caught, what, 412 pips. You know, I got to get better at holding my trades. But, you know, we'll get there. You know, at that point, we'll get there. So, you know, just to be making money in this shit is a blessing. You know what I mean? So, hey, good shit, Johnny. Appreciate it, man. Let's go. I mean, you guys are going to hear these tapes. Johnny's going to hear these tapes 5 years from now and fucking... I can only imagine what this dude's going to be in 5 years. Just entering his 20s with a bag. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, man, I mean, you know, the biggest thing, and I think Johnny could attest to it, you know, you've been in here with me every day, is holding our trades to where they need to go to. Sometimes we catch our trades perfectly, right? And we get out perfectly. And, you know, I think that contributes to me always pulling out my trades a little early. is I'm always worried it's going to reverse. And like I said, man, we're scalpers, right? At the end of the day, we get in, we get out. And you know, if you change your trading style up in the future, that's fine. You know what I mean? But you know, for me, I think that my gig and my thing is being a scalper. I get in and I get out, and you know, that helps me with these indices and all this shit, right? So, you know, we'll just see what the market gives us, and you know, had another great week. We started March the right way, and you know, let's see now. Now we just got to make sure that price. I mean, I really want to see it use this level as a resistance level. A whole bunch of support, right? We had a little bit of resistance here, but a whole bunch of support. Now let's see if it can smack this and come back down. I don't want to see. I mean, even if it does come all the way up here, we'd still be good because these lows were broken, right? And it could still bounce off of this 15-minute or this 5-minute 50 EMA and come down. But what I don't want to see is it come up to the 15-minute, right? The 15-minute EMA is a lot closer to our entry and to come down. So, you know, we'll see what it gives us, because you know, we'll just see. Looks like it's showing a little bit of respect right there, right? I ain't the only one getting to it. Let's go, man. 16 years old. My boy's catching it. Could only imagine where he's going to be in a couple years. Let's go. So that's a good rejection that we want to see right there. Bad part is there's still 30 seconds left in this particular candle, but it's the end of the 5-minute, and it gives the 5-minute a little bit more length on the body, right? Let me show you. All right, I'm sorry, shorter length on the body, which we want to see, right? We don't want it to be engulfing up here, because that could lead to a bigger stack of bull candles right here. So we want to see it reject that and kind of keep that momentum down. Looks like it pushed up a little bit the last couple seconds, but now we want to see kind of like an exhaustion right here. We want to see each wick, at worst, each wick kind of reject this area and get shorter, 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 and fall off. So that's the plan. You know, let's see. Still early in this 5-minute candle, right? So price can just push up from here still. So let's see. Let's see if it can break through all this shit. But you can see it's still showing this little area of love right here. So we'll see. I like that. Let's see if it can keep that these last 15 seconds. Okay, I like that. You know, that gives me more confidence that this trade is going to come over here and make its way down here, right? It still can reject this, just like well, I guess these motherfuckers are listening to us. It can still reject this, right? And push up from here. Fuck. You see that? So we'll see right now. You know what I mean? That'd be the ultimate fucking juke if it just pushes up right here, right?
Guess what's today?
What's today?
I have to stay in my pajamas.
Are you sure? Oh, man. See, I don't like that. We'll see the next candle right now, but I don't... That right there gives me cause to pause.
It's pajama day.
We're going to have to dress you in some warm pajamas then. It's cold out there today.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely. See, the next one can stack up just like that. That's exactly what I was saying, right? Like, it could stack up from here. Me, I'm going to say fuck it, dog. I'm going to pull this shit. I'm happy with my profits for the day. You know what I mean? I'm closing it out. 596.29 on the day. We'll call it 600. Fuck it. And this is where I got to get better, but I'm happy. You could keep it in there. It looks like it's coming down, right? In my opinion, it looks like it's coming down. So, you know, if you want to keep it in there, Johnny, you can, or you can pull your profits and go enjoy your weekend, man. So, good shit this week, bro. I appreciate you for tuning in as always. Everybody else, you guys are missing out, dog. Just come back to these videos and see it. But yeah, go ahead and follow the Instagram at Day Trade with Zay. Like, comment, subscribe, even if you see this video late. And yeah, you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Not tuning in, we're still here, man. Win, learn, or draw, we're in here. Johnny, have yourself a good weekend, bro. And we'll get with you on Monday. Damn, Johnny, like that? I just seen your message right here. Yeah, so, okay, so we caught a GJ trade for 24 pips, and if he held it, he'd be up about 150. Yeah, I mean, it's something we got to work on for sure. You know what I mean? But we'll get there. Like I said, we're only, I mean, you're less than me, but I'm only a year and a half, not even a year and a half into the game yet. I think you're in not even close to a year yet, close to a year. So it's something that's going to come with the process, I think. You know, give it a few years and we'll be able to see this shit a lot clearer. But we're on our way, my boy. So just keep going. You have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday, bro. Have a good one. All right, everybody. You guys have a good one. Late.